In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer photos from Android to iPhone without using any applications. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once it is done, we need just to open up a web browser on both of the devices. On an Android, I'm going to use Chrome. On an iPhone, I'm going to use Safari. Once it is done, we need to head over to the website snapdrop.net. You can enter the URL in the search field, and also you can search for Snapdrop at Google and then follow the first link. If you see that smartphone icons on both of your devices, it means that they are already connected to each other. Keep in mind that here it says on each of the devices that you are known as, and on an iPhone it says Gray Iguana, and on an Android it shows that Android device connected to Gray Iguana, and down below it says iOS iPhone. The same about Android device. Once both of the devices are connected to each other, we can easily transfer any files and photos between them. To do so, we just need to tap at that icon, and then we can tap at camera to take a picture and send it to iPhone. Also, we can head over to media, and that's where we can easily find any photo from recents, from our files, and also from our gallery. If we head over, let's say, to gallery, we can find some photos here. Here I got the photo of my softbox. I can select it. I can also select multiple photos to send all of them at once. We can select up to 500 photos at once, and once it is done, just tap at done and it will start transferring the photo on another device. After a while, it says file received. It shows me that that is a JPG file, which means that is an image, and then I can ignore it or I can save it. To save files, just tap at save and then download. Once it is done and the file is downloaded, it is downloaded to our internal storage on an iPhone, but not to the iPhone's gallery. We can easily find that file using Files app, that is official Apple app to manage files on our device. And if we open it up and if we head over to downloads folder or wherever you've saved the file, you can easily find that file here. We can open it up. However, if you would like to save it to your photos gallery, you need to tap at share and then save image. That will save it to your photos gallery, and then at Photos app, here you can easily find that file. Also, the same thing we can do right from here, from our web browser. We can just tap right here at this arrow icon, then select downloads. It will show you all the recently downloaded files. You can tap at image to open it up, and then in the same way you can save it to your photos gallery. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.